everyone. You got to check this out. We're just leaving Sault Ste. Marie this morning. We had a bit of a later start today, which was really nice. I think we all got an extra hour or two of sleep. This is the highway as we're leaving. Must be people that are joining, eh?
These are our guys from Sault Ste. Marie that have been waiting for us. I don't know where they all came from, but wow.
We're picking these guys up, guys. I think there's at least 12 trucks here.
Okay, buddy.
Good morning, Teresa. Nicole, we're just leaving Sault Ste. Marie, heading for Ottawa. Look at this, you guys.
Morning, Captain. You're doing a fabulous job.
We didn't have any cell service to speak of yesterday, so we couldn't get on and do any lives.
Mine road or mine drive.
Good morning, Kaylee. Hey, Saskatchewan. Look at this, you guys. We're gonna try and get Big Red in for a bath today.
Morning, Kevin. How you doing today?
Good morning, Margarita. I started the live a little bit late, but you should have seen that line. It was pretty long.
Sorry, the laptop up. Okay, I'll see if I can snap it.
Nice. Yeah, we're so lucky that our Quebec brothers and sisters are coming. Thank you for the hospitality, Sault Ste. Marie.
Good job, George. Good job, George.
Good morning, Dana.
George, I'm right on your horse. You can jump in with me. Right in front. You're in my lead. Who do you think I was leading for, brother? Who do you think
Look at
I
this
was leading for?
beautiful province.
I love you, man.
The end of the log scale and get one by that overhead side.
There's a drone flying there.
Ah, Strathmore. I'm missing Alberta.
We got people up here on the right, Torrent Lake Road.
You got two
Hey, Shane. Have a great day yourself.
up there that have
I hope you're doing well.
Copy that.
Samantha, you can go to, we have a link posted on our page that will give you all the route and stop information. Check that out.
We're blocking four-wheelers,
Oh,
guys.
Jessica, thank you guys.
We'll block these four-wheelers.
Good morning, Bobby Joe. Oh, it's nice to see you pop up on here. Hi, Sheldon. Laura, we got in kind of late. By the time we got all finished up at the stop and went back to the room, it was pretty late, so I didn't get to go to the ceremony. But I am meeting with the clan mothers when we have our next stop. I spoke to her this morning.
Jonathan, leave the laptop fired up.
Okay, Bigger, get up, move up, move up, move up. George, hammer down lane.
Good morning, Detroit. Wow. Thank you.
Attaboy, move up.
Still everywhere. It seems like the closer we get, the more support we have. It's a beautiful sight to behold, let me tell you.
Last night, I completely messed my paperwork up. So paperwork's around the mill.
Okay, move up.
And now I'm gonna truck some border with just a mess.
Oklahoma. Wow, thank you.
Yeah,
It's crazy how big this thing got. Overwhelming, honestly. I know I've said that a million times, but it is overwhelming.
Truck, let me squeeze in behind him, please.
Anastasia, that's the words that I'm hearing more. I think that's the most used word. Hope and pride.
Okay, perfect.
Canadians are finally coming together. They're not listening to the rhetoric anymore.
Yes. I got somewhere beautiful.
So funny how your life can change in 2 weeks, you know.
Okay. Awesome. Thank you so much, Josh. We'll talk to you soon. Okay. Bye-bye.
It's true, Sandra, isn't it? We're getting messages from all over the world.
Bobtail should be seeing man.
Buddy 101.
You got a 4-wheel truck jumping in the middle again.
Hey, Calgary.
Hang on, we got lots of them coming up.
We're all feeling pride. We're all feeling pride.
Make that guy out. Get that guy out.
Go to files, buddy.
It's wonderful, isn't it?
Coming up.
Oh, Christine, I don't even know if I can cry anymore. Honestly.
Yeah, give her all home back here.
I'm probably dehydrated. I'm trying not to drink too much water or coffee. These things, you just can't pull this thing over for a pit stop, if you know what I mean. Good thing I know how to camp. Hey, Mooseman.
Yeah, do you see him?
So much love for Saskatchewan. That's my home province where I was born and raised. Okay, we gotta go. Okay.
Because they're local behind you, they're concept. Never mind. Okay, guys, go around that car in that white truck there. Go around them. Go around them. Copy.
Good morning, everybody.
You got them.
Oh, it's lovely to be in Ontario.
On the left lane there, it's gonna choke you out there if he doesn't keep going.
You have a beautiful province here.
People coming up on.
I sure hope it does, Lucas.
Okay, George, tighten it up with the boys up front. Don't leave any gaps.
What's the temperature in Ontario? Or sorry, in Ottawa? It was so beautiful in Medicine Hat when I left. I almost forgot to bring winter boots and a winter coat. Oh, Liz, thank you. We appreciate our American brothers and sisters. Look at that, guys.
Slowing down, guys. Slowing down. Cement truck slowing down.
Yeah, we've seen a lot of those flags too, Bonnie.
We need to squeeze these guys.
Hey,
out
Lana.
behind me, please, I got two, I believe, 2 4-wheelers in behind me. Cement truck.
And I got the one in front of me here, there.
Oh, we won't be fooled. We know exactly what we're walking into.
People gathering at the.
But we've got wonderful support from some very good people.
Oh, there's a little black Chevy car there taking pictures. Are they winter?
It's been a very hard, long 2 years. You're right.
The plate number.
But enough. Enough is enough.
Otherwise, we should run them off the road.
Canadians have spoken.
I told that guy to get the hell out of here. He was causing problems.
Hey, Davidson.
Guy hanging out the window in the black car, jamming up the Hammerley.
Okay, oh, we're coming up to another overpass here.
Bob Taylor behind.
Look at that. Just incredible. Look at how beautiful this place is. We're so lucky we live in one of the most beautiful countries in the whole world.
Got a minivan in here too, about 5 back from Big Red here. Trust the ticker. I got
Oh, peace will endure, Terry. Good always wins.
different lanes here.
Actually, I do. Just give me a second.
Good will always
They
prevail.
were gonna have a lot of locals just out taking videos too, hey guys?
Give me a second.